In this unit, we're going to talk about numbers. I think it will be one of the easier units we go through. Now, as crazy as this may sound, we're going to start with lesson 2, then go to lesson 1, and then finish up with lesson 3. So the first thing we're going to cover is properties of exponents. Now, I have some of this already filled in just to save time. So what I will do is pause the video and get your notes. I'm going to do one example from each one of these on this tree diagram so you can kind of hear me work through it and what I'm thinking. Okay, so product of powers, all you do is keep your base and you add your exponents if you have like terms. So for number 3, I'll look at y and I'll look at p. They're not like terms because my variables are different. So it's just going to be y cubed p to the 4th. Okay. The next one is a product, power of a product. This one will have a base raised to an exponent, inside parentheses raised to another exponent. What you want to do here is multiply your exponents together. So you keep your base and you multiply your exponents. So 6 times 8 is 48. The next one is a power of a product. Here you have 2 variables or 2 numbers inside parentheses, all raised to 1 power. Very seldom will you be given numbers. More times than not, you're going to be given variables like I have right here. So what we do here is bring your bases, and then you distribute this exponent to everything, or to all your other exponents inside of the parentheses. And this simulates a product, or excuse me, power of a product, and you just have to remember to multiply. And then you're done. Negative exponents, all you do here is you flip the location of your base and change your exponent to positive. So what I mean, c raised to the negative 4 power is really c to the negative 4 all divided by 1. So c is up top. I'm going to move it to the bottom, bring 1 up top, or this understood 1 up top. Bring your base and then change your exponent to positive. 0 exponent, my absolute favorite because it's the easiest. Some base raised to the 0 power is 1 with the exception of 0. 0 raised to the 0 power is still 0. So g to the 0 power is 1, so long as g is not equal to 0. Next thing we have is quotient of powers. Quotient of powers is just the opposite of product of powers. Instead of adding, we're going to subtract the exponents. So we have c, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. We then have power of a quotient. Again, just the exact opposite of power of a product. Okay. We're going to distribute the exponent to the top and bottom base. So it'll be t raised to the 5th power over b raised to the 5th power. All right, in the next video, we'll go through and actually do some more examples